Hello everyone. Back from something of a break from lock picking. Haven't touched a pick in about a week. What I have here is the boobie patch. I believe that says don't turn 180 degrees. Can't really make it out though. I think it says don't turn 180 degrees. Let's see what this pager said. Alright, there's our bitting. Key works smooth. A little trouble getting it in and out, but I believe this little bottom piece of warding right there on the right, raise it up a little bit. I think it's because that's bent a little bit. Somebody had been putting some tremendous pressure on it when picking it. So let's see, I'll go from this side. I'll go with the bottom of the keyway and just a standard #1 hook from Peterson's. Alright, we got the open. We do have a key, so we'll lock it back up. Alright, circlip looks easy enough to remove. Alright, let's get a look at our pins, see how they move. Oh yeah, key's tight. I hope I don't shoot any pins out anywhere. First pin's not moving at all right now. There we go. All right. Looks to be some interesting pinning in here. All right, pin 1. Okay. Got hung up on that counter milling. All right. We've got counter milling in 1 and 4. Well, yeah. Threading in 3. And I'm not sure what to call these cuts here on the core. We do have some interesting stuff going on here. Alright, let me zoom or focus back into, come on camera. Alright, gonna straighten these pins out real quick. see which way is the bottom. There we go. Alright, let's check out the core. Then I will give everybody a close-up of these pins. Alright, let's see if we can see any work done in this core. In this Bible. And I don't see any modifications at all. Nope, no modifications in the Bible. Show you the core one more time. And now for what everybody's waiting on. Good shot of these awesome pins. Very nice lock, lots of fun. Thank you, Big Willy the Locksmith, for making this lock and getting it out into the community. And thank you, K1 Locks, for sending it my way. As always, I forget to refocus. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Glad to be back, and I will see you on the next lock.